skin is actually firm. Now, what I've been using on my skin to keep it firm and also to keep it free from wrinkles is natural remedies. I use a lot of natural ingredients on my skin. These ingredients are loaded with vitamin A, which help to boost the collagen production in the skin and also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. I'm using ingredients that also have hydrating properties that keep my skin really soft and give my skin a natural glow. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to share one of my favorite homemade remedy. This remedy I use on a regular on my skin to have my skin looking this fresh and clear. Now our first ingredient is orange and lemon peel, and these are dried orange and lemon peel. Orange and lemon peel both contains vitamin C, which will help to boost collagen production. It will also help to lighten and brighten the skin and clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. Now to prepare the dried orange and lemon peel, you want to blend it to a powder in a blender. And here I already have some blended orange lemon zest. You can choose to cover this and keep it in your refrigerator for about 6 months or more. Just make sure that it is tightly covered. My next ingredient is green tea. And today I'm going to use a tea bag. We're using the green tea for its wrinkle fighting properties. It is rich in antioxidant that will help to smooth the skin, reduce wrinkles, and also help the skin to look healthier. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to brew a tea bag. So place the tea bag in the bowl. Next, I'm going to reach for the orange peel. And I'm going to take about a teaspoon of the orange peel, adding this to the bowl with the tea bag. And then I'm going to reach for some hot water. Make sure this is very, very hot water. And I'm going to take about 4 teaspoons of hot water. And now we're going to put this aside to brew. So we're brewing the green tea and we're brewing the orange and lemon peel. You can choose to make this overnight and keep it on the countertop. Do not put it in the refrigerator. Now here I have one that is already done. We have our green tea and our lemon zest. This I did overnight. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to strain. You can use a strainer or you can use a cheesecloth and just pour this in. You're not going to get a lot from this since the orange peel and lemon peel also absorb some of the liquid. So just pressing it, squeeze it out. Make sure to get everything out. Now this is about 2 tablespoons of the green tea orange peel mixture. My next ingredient is coconut oil, and I'm using the coconut oil because it is very hydrating. It helps to lock the moisture in the skin. Coconut oil will also help to clear spots and blemishes on the skin. So we're using the coconut oil as our carrier oil. So I'm using 2 teaspoons of the coconut oil. Pour this in. Next, I'm reaching for some avocado oil. We're using the avocado oil because it contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and also vitamin E. If you do not have the avocado oil and you have the grapeseed oil, you can go ahead and you can use either or either. If you do not have grapeseed or avocado oil, you can also try some almond oil. If not, double up on the coconut oil. So I'm also using 2 teaspoons of the avocado oil. And now we're going to use some special oils. I'm going to use just 2 special oils, and you can choose 2 of your choice. My first special oil is vitamin E oil, and vitamin E oil will help to hydrate the skin. It's an amazing oil for softer skin. So I'm using about a half a teaspoon of the vitamin E oil. If you have the capsule, go ahead and use the vitamin E capsule also. Now my next oil is some rosehip oil. You can choose to use rosehip oil or papaya seed oil. You can even use some marula oil. Just use what you have. You can also choose to use some sesame seed oil. So I am going to be using the rosehip oil today. And I'm using about a teaspoon of the rosehip oil. Pour this in. and that is for the oils. So I have my green tea orange mixture, I have some rosehip oil, I have some avocado oil, and I also have some coconut oil and vitamin E oil. Now there's one final ingredient that I'm gonna add to this. You can choose to leave it out or you can add it, and this is some aloe vera gel. So I'm gonna take about a teaspoon of the aloe vera gel, pour this in. Now please remember, you do not have to use all the oils that I use. I am using avocado oil, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, and rosehip oil with some aloe vera gel. Now if you do not have the store-bought aloe vera gel, you can use some fresh aloe vera gel in this recipe. Now I have an optional ingredient, which is vegetable glycerine. I'm using the vegetable glycerine to prevent the mixture from forming bacteria easily. This is gonna buy you about 2 to 3 extra days. However, if you do not have it, go ahead and leave it out. I'm using a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerine for this in. And now we're gonna mix all together. You can choose to blend this in the blender, or if you have a whisk, you can go ahead and whisk it. I have a little frother here, and this is what I'm gonna use. And I'll put the link below where you can get this. So we're just gonna blend it on high speed. And once this is done, take a look. This is gonna be creamy, and this is exactly how you want it to be. Now once you put this aside, it's gonna thicken up a little more, so be mindful of that. Now take a look at this. This is your anti-wrinkle, anti-aging, dry skin moisturizer. This is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. It also contains omega-3 from the avocado oil. This is good to use on your face, your neck, and your décolleté. So let's reach back for the leftovers. Now a little goes a long way, and all you need is about 2 to 3 drops on your skin. And you're going to massage it on the skin. Totally massage it and take a look at what is happening. The reason why we mix all these ingredients together is because we're trying to make it non-greasy at all. So in spite of the fact that we use the coconut oil, it's not going to leave a greasy feel on your skin, but your skin is going to feel totally hydrated. So you need to store this in the refrigerator because we do have water in it. It's going to thicken up a bit, so be mindful of that. This also contains skin brightening properties, so you can use it wherever you are trying to clear spots and blemishes. Another amazing benefit for this is that it is good to use on stretch marks. So if you have a lot of striation going on, massage this on the skin. Just an amazing combination of ingredients, an amazing facial cream loaded with all the vital antioxidants for a fresher, younger, softer, wrinkle-free skin.